everyone, my name is Alexis. I'm a full-time reseller on Facebook Marketplace, Mercari, Poshmark, and mainly through Thredup. And I like to order boxes from Thredup and unbox them for you guys to see what I got. If you like those type of videos, please like and subscribe. It's free to do those things. Let's jump into it. When I saw that this box was coming from the Georgia warehouse, I was like, no, because we all know how I feel about the Georgia warehouse. However, they showed up for this box. I'm very pleased with this box. Georgia warehouse, if you're listening, this is the content we've been asking for. This is what we want. Do exactly this. Okay, let's get into it. First, some black leggings from Under Armour. These look new. I'm not sure if they were cut at the bottoms or if they're made to be that way. There doesn't seem to be any sizing. Wait, unless it's hidden somewhere. I don't know, but they have this like cool little pocket here. Okay. These feel like Lululemons, and they are, yes, these are the Lululemons. They're just linty lemons, and they're scrunched at the bottom, but these look like they are full length. Oh, here it is. This little tag, and for Lululemons, if you don't know, the tags are normally like in the pocket. So let me see. Yep, size 8. That is a great size to sell. Okay. Next, J. Crew new tags for 148, size 14, white blazer, and I don't see anything wrong with it. It has all of the buttons. Awesome. Next, this brand I've never gotten in a box, but I'm very happy. Lacoste Slim Fit dress. Very cool. These boxes are only $65.99. That's plus shipping, plus tax. I don't know if it varies from state to state, but I don't even know if they charge me tax, but it's $65.99, and these boxes are phenomenal. Out of all of the Thredup rescue boxes, I make the most profit off of these boxes, and I know that I can sell them various places. I sell them to buy sell trade stores. I sell them back to Thredup, them on my Poshmark, on my Mercari. So, and I find several things to keep. There's rarely stains or rips, and if the Georgia warehouse keeps this up, I might end up ordering more. It's kind of just the luck of the draw where your box comes from. Okay, Ann Taylor, size 6. This feels like silk. It's like red cheetah print, and it's a wrap. It's like new. I don't see any material. Let's see. No, it's polyester, but it's still a really cool wrap long sleeve shirt. Great. We the Free, very soft rib knit sweatshirt. That's really cool. Doesn't have a size, but I would say this is like extra large. Oversized fit. Cool. Pico 1988, size small, long sleeve. This is a small. This is really oversized then. This I knew was some type of fur as soon as I pulled it out. It is Susie D. New tags. It says 165, and it is Angora and polyamide. I don't know, but the Angora is what makes it soft, and it's just a poncho with like little sleeves here. Super soft. Joie medium. This is a designer brand. Ruffle sleeve at the bottom. And they send Joie and rental runway boxes. And this was less than $3. American Eagle size 12, I believe, regular jegging. Good condition. Maeve, new with tags, $68, small. Maeve is an Anthropologie brand, and this is new with tags, and it's just this like crisscross tank. Awesome. Next, pink size small pullover hoodie in red. Just says pink at the bottom. It has a drawstring at the bottom as well. Another Joie piece. Doesn't have the size, maybe it does at the bottom. No, but these will do great at buy-sell trade stores, I believe. So 2 Schwab pieces in this box. Like those 2 things alone probably pay for most, if not all of the box. This, I believe, is from Rent a Runway, who sells on Thredup as well. Cooper Street, size 4. And I believe it's from Rent a Runway because it has this right here. They usually put a barcode. And it's this long dress. Wow. This is beautiful. This would be so great for like an event if you had to go to one. It's high-low black dress. Next, International Concepts, size small, little blouse tank, really cute. Cynthia Rowley, size medium, ruffle blouse, cute. Turtleneck, stripes, also from Free People, size small. Cool. So that's 2 Free People things in this box. Lily Pulitzer, size large, in the classic neon color, just a open cardigan. Awesome. Some Madewell jeans, black. These are the Road Trippers in size 25. Just a skinny jean, high-waisted. Awesome. Okay, H&M. And this price tag says $9.99. They do have an H&M box, so I'm just happy that they did not put more H&M things. I believe this is the only thing from H&M. Thank you, Georgia Warehouse. Okay, this is pretty cute, and it's new with tags, even though it was $10, which seems really cheap for this. Extra large, I don't know, maybe I'll keep this. It's just off the shoulder, cinches, pretty cute. Rebecca Taylor, designer brand, size 2 zip up jacket, like leather detail here. Nicole Miller collection, designer, size 6. A black dress with like pinstripes, and it's like ruched here and in the back. Really cute. I think I'm gonna send this back to Thredup or send it to a buy-sell trade store. It has this big bow in the front. Super cute. I've never had this brand, but it's new with tags. Andrew Mark, size 8. Like crop dress pants or jeggings. I don't know. I might try these on. They feel really good quality. Athleta. Normally I don't enjoy getting Athleta, but this is a skirt and it's in excellent condition. Size small, navy. And the last thing, J. Crew, size 4. Cute ruffle tank blouse. And that concludes this box. I think they did an excellent job with this box. Hopefully they saw our videos. I know my friend Alicia had to return her box and get a new one, and still was disappointed with what she got, and with reason. They should not be putting H&M brands, Forever 21, Target, or like Walmart brands into these boxes if they're, you know, putting designer brands in another warehouse's box. I think what we're asking from Thredup is consistency. I feel like that's something that they sometimes lack in the rescue boxes, especially among the warehouses. So thank you, Georgia Warehouse, once again. Please keep up the good work. If you like this video, like and subscribe. I will see you in my next unboxing. Bye.